Hey there, caregivers. Welcome back to our channel. If you've ever struggled to get a good night's rest, you're not alone. Sleep is essential for our well being, especially when we're managing the demands of caregiving. Today, I'm sharing 7 powerful foods that naturally promote sleep, all backed by lifestyle medicine principles. Stick around until the end, because I've got a simple nighttime tea recipe that I prepare for my 84-year-old mom as her caregiver that not only helps you sleep, but can also support digestion. Let's get started. 1. Tart cherries. Tart cherries are one of the best natural sources of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. Studies show that drinking tart cherry juice before bed can increase sleep time and quality. How to enjoy: drink 1 small glass of tart cherry juice about 1 to 2 hours before bed. 2. Almonds are rich in magnesium, which helps relax muscles and calm the nervous system. Magnesium also supports GABA production, a neurotransmitter that promotes deep sleep. How to enjoy: have a small handful of almonds or a tablespoon of almond butter before bed. 3. Bananas are nature's sleep superfood. They're packed with magnesium, potassium, and vitamin B6, which help produce melatonin and serotonin, your body's natural sleep and mood regulators. Here's a quick personal recipe. Eat half a banana with a sprinkle of cinnamon for an extra sleep boost. 4. Oats are a slow-digesting carbohydrate that helps the body naturally produce serotonin, which then converts to melatonin. Plus, they help regulate blood sugar to prevent nighttime wake-ups. Enjoy a small bowl of oatmeal an hour before bed can do wonders. Pionti kiwi. Did you know that eating 1 kiwi about an hour before bed can help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer? That's because it's high in serotonin and antioxidants, which aid in deep, restorative sleep. 6. Walnuts are another natural source of melatonin and also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which support brain function and reduce stress. Enjoy a small handful of walnuts in the evening can help improve sleep. 7. Certain herbal teas, like peppermint, chamomile, and valerian root, have been used for centuries to calm the nervous system and promote relaxation. And speaking of tea, let's talk about a special nighttime tea I have prepared for my mom who suffers from insomnia. The tea helps you sleep and supports digestion. Nighttime tea, recipe for sleep and belly fat reduction. Here's what you'll need: 1 cup of hot water, 1 peppermint tea bag or loose leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of salt to half teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 to half teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/3 cup of fresh lemon juice, half to 1 teaspoon of raw honey. How to prepare it: add the peppermint tea bag or leaves, cinnamon, and ginger to your hot water. Let it simmer for 5 to 6 minutes. Remove the tea bag and add fresh lemon juice. Stir in raw honey for a hint of sweetness. Drink this 30 minutes before bed, and you'll wake up feeling most refreshed. So there you have it, 7 sleep-boosting foods and a powerful nighttime tea to help you rest better and wake up feeling recharged. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who could use better sleep. Let me know in the comments, which of these foods are you going to try tonight? Until next time, take care of yourself so you can keep caring for others.